project for the Authorized to Act Auth0 for AI Agents Hackathon, and here is my pitch. So as you can see, the latest recent news from Meta, it says Meta AI agent instruction causes large sensitive data leak to employees. So this is one of the biggest problems that we have as of today, which is that any AI agent that you use, be it the Claude, be it the Grok or the Cursor, they have a broad and permanent access to our Gmail and the GitHub most often. And one compromise agent means your whole data, your secret GitHub project can be leaked, can be put in front of the public. So my project Sanctum exactly solves this problem through Auth0, and it does it very smartly. So I'll show you my project. As you can see, it is here deployed on the Vercel. It is completely deployed here for free, so I have not paid anything for this project. So first I'll sign in. I'll connect my uh, Auth0, my Gmail via Auth0. So as you can see, I have signed in with the Auth0. Now I'll show you how things work here. So instead of giving Claude uh, Gmail read only forever, like the Gmail read only access forever, I'll issue a mandate token, and it will not just be a scope, it will be a behavioral contact where the agent will behave the way it should be according to me, and it will read the inbox summary, and it will complete the task, and it will not violate any unnecessary action. So as you can see, no agent is registered. So let's first register an agent here. I'll name the agent Claude, and read email. Let's say the description of the agent be read email. Let's choose a rocket sign. Now the agent is registered here. Now as you can see, now agent is registered here, and I'll issue a token. Let's say read inbox summary token, and summarize my inbox from today. And I'll click. This is the time frame that I can choose on how long this agent will have the access of my email. Now I'll choose 1 hour, and I'll choose issue mandate token. Now as you can see, the token card has appeared here. It says Claude Gmail, summarize my email and read inbox, and it has an auto revoke. Now I'll explain you what is auto revoke because it is one of the greatest feature of my project. Now watch the scope engine. Like the scope engine has not loaded, I'll just have to refresh the page once. So what I'll do is, now I'll simulate something. So I'll validate, maybe read latest 10 emails, and let's validate this. If so, the what a scope engine does is, a scope engine tells you what is the accent to the axis of our email that this agent has. So what scope engine does, it will show you to what extent the accent, like to what limit the agent have the access of your email. So let's say read latest 10 emails. Let's validate this one. So it says action has been permitted. So it has the common access of reading my 10 emails. But let's try something like maybe delete all the emails of my inbox. This is something very crucial, and this is not something an agent should do. So let's try to validate this action. As you can see, the action has been blocked, and the agent revoked. Uh, as you can see, the mandate auto revoked. So the agent revoked instantly because it was about to take a wrong action according to the scope engine that we have. So uh, it was about to delete all my emails from my inbox, but it was blocked, and it was auto blocked. So I didn't click anything, nor I just clicked validated to see what to what extent the agent have the access of my email off, but I didn't revoke it. So it auto revoked. So it revoked automatically. So anytime an agent is about to make a wrong action, it will revoke automatically. So it didn't require any human intervention. So now you can see the Claude agent has completely lost the access to this token that we have issued to it. And there is something very interesting part here. It is accountability report. So not just the agent completely revoked, it's like the system automatically revoked the access the Claude had, but it has also generated a report on what are the things that happened in between. when the agent started and when it revoked. So as you can see, uh, the verdict here is outside mandate. So the agent was about to take an action which was about his consent that I have given. So one mandate violation detected, one mandate were, and this mandate was auto revoked due to the violation it was about to do. So agent exited defined authority, which is deleting my all inbox emails, and mandate was automatically invalidated. As you can see, the result has been generated here, and also can also download this report here in the JSON file. I'll just click download and it will download here. And this is the the audit trail of what the agent did throughout. So I'll click refresh and it will generate the audit trail. As you can see, I registered the agent here, issued a token, allowed we tried scope engine to see what the access this agent has, which is read 10 emails. And when it comes to delete email, it's the the agent was about to violate the issue, like the violate the access or the permission that it had, and it auto revoked. So this is the audit trail. So it does not only just show you the results like the reason, the accountability report, but it also shows what happened throughout the process. Now let's also try simulating something, and this is one of the coolest part also of the project. So for example, send an email to, for example, I'm working as on an e-commerce platform, and maybe I want to I have assigned my AI agent to simulate a task which may be of an high risk. So let's try simulating something like that here. So I'll click simulate, which says send emails to 500 contacts. Now as you can see, the action has been intercepted. So it's not like the action just completed on my request, but it has been intercepted. Now it is here at pause, like the agent just need 1 second of mine, maybe to approve or to deny this request, and it will work. So as of now, I'll click deny because I don't want to send email to 500 people. But why would I? As you can see, the action has been denied, and this is our agent. Also, one great part of this project is when I click revoke all, then it will take all the, like, it will snatch all the access, all the consent that I have given to this agent. I click revoke all, and as you can see, instantly all the permissions that this agent had has been revoked. So anytime if you see your agent doing something miscellaneous, something of no reason, then you can just click revoke all, and it will stop all their actions. It will generate an accountability report again, and you can also see the audit trail of whatever things happened at what time also. So also you can register different type of scopes here, maybe handling client escalation, maybe something like giving refund to your customers if they have missed something, or monitor repository activity on the GitHub, or review the PR status. So all in all, the project has a great potential. Like when I was using Auth0, I was able to understand the access that this project provide. As you can see, this is here also mentioned on my page. Spectre gives them mission order, scope, time limited, everything. So please judge this project thoroughly. I have invested a great amount of time, and bye bye.